Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I don't know how many of you have a late model, well, actually it's not a late model. Mine is an '02, so those aren't late model anymore, but this is an '02, give or take 2 or 3 years, truck or Suburban. And I'm doing a grease job on the front. These actually have grease fittings which seem to have gone away on many cars. But if you ever doing a grease job or you're having somebody do one, ask them how many fittings they did, because if they say 8, they missed one. So here they are. Upper and lower ball joint. There's one. Hold on. I'm going to need to have a flash on this, I think. Yeah, okay, let's leave the flash on. There's number 2, that's the lower ball joint. Now let's go to the tie rod end. That's 3. And the other end right there is 4. So that's 4 on each side. 4 and 4 is 8. Now, here's the one they're going to miss. And it's right on top of there. And it points up. And it's going to be hard to get at. I got a little 90-degree angle grease fitting. It goes on the end of my grease gun hose. And I use that. And you can also crank the steering like you're making a hard right turn, and that will bring this piece over, clearing what's blocking it up ahead. So anyway, ask him, and if he says I did all 8, tell him to go back and finish the job, because there's one more up there. Give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy, and see you later, guys and gals. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out, bye.